Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You're watching Solar Ki Dunya and I am your host Muhammad Asraf. Today we are talking about VFD. So first of all, let's try to understand what is VFD. VFD stands for Variable Frequency Drive. So basically, it's a drive which whose purpose is to drive an AC motor, three-phase AC motor. Okay, let's try to understand its function. Uh, we provide AC input, three-phase AC input to VFD. VFD then change this AC input into DC voltage and DC supply. And after that, in third stage, this DC supply is changed into AC voltage again, and but it has variable frequency. So one of the key principle here is that by changing the frequency of output voltage, we can change the speed of output motor. So the three-phase motor at the load is controlled by changing the frequency of the output voltage. So if we change the frequency, if we decrease the frequency of output voltage, the speed of motor will be decreased. If we want to increase the speed of the motor, we will have to increase the frequency. So by changing the frequency of output voltage, we can change the speed of an AC motor at the load. So this is the key principle behind VFD. So now the question is why we use VFD. VFD is used basically it avoids the torque load. You know that all the AC motors has a great torque load. So by the use of AC three-phase VFD, we can avoid the torque load. We gradually increase the speed of motor by changing the frequency. Secondly, it is used where we need different frequency, different speed of the motor. For example, sometimes we need a high speed, sometimes we need low speed. So according to the situation, we change the speed of the motor. So that is why we use VFD. It has variety of application. It is widely used. Excuse me. It is widely used in industry, in commercial projects, and as well as solar tube well. So here we will, in context of solar tube well, so it is widely used in solar tube well to run the three-phase motor, to run the three-phase pump. So it is widely used. So it is very beneficial to understand what is VFD. So thanks for watching. That's all for today.